What can you make with sugar, water, and lemon juice? We're about to find out. Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. I'm Jim Hightower. Today we're making an easy recipe, and I found it on something that's always right in front of me. So let's grab that recipe right out of the refrigerator. It just happens to be on this bottle of ReaLemon brand 100% lemon juice. You can find recipes on the back of a lot of things. When you buy a package of flour, you can find bread recipes on there a lot of times. When you buy a can of Crisco or shortening, you can find pie crust recipes. So check them out. So grab your pen and paper. Here come the ingredients. You will need, for 2 quarts of homemade lemonade, 6.5 cups water, 1 cup lemon juice, and you don't have to squeeze any lemons, you can't beat that, 1 cup of sugar. Now, I didn't forget my favorite diabetics. You can use a cup of your sugar substitute or Splenda, or half a cup of Splenda sugar blend, and that's just yummy. So, here we go. You need your nice Mr. Kool-Aid looking pitcher, 1 cup of sugar. I've got 4.5 cups of water there. I've got 2 here. Pour that right in there. Have my... I'm going to go ahead and put my sugar in there. And my lemon juice. Now the thing is, you could fill it up with water, but it would go everywhere. And a small amount of liquid is easier to stir than a large amount. If you remember, when we made our southern iced tea, we poured in the tea that had steeped for 10 minutes right over the top of the sugar and stirred it up before we put the cold water in. So this is similar, except it's just not hot. And your children will love this, or maybe you would. 2 quarts. You know, this I found to be a great little treat because the other day I wanted something to drink. I didn't want a Coke, but we didn't have one in the house anyway. And so I looked in the refrigerator and I thought, what is in here? And then I found that recipe. So next we have to taste it. I got a nice tray and a nice glass filled with ice. And perhaps the child in you would like a straw. So you stick it in, give it a little twirl. Oh, that is so good and so refreshing. You can't beat it. And most of you, well, if you're like me anyway, you always have a bottle of lemon juice in the house. So there you go. Cold, refreshing lemonade. 3 ingredients: water, sugar, and lemon juice. And guess what? You didn't have to squeeze any lemons. No mess. And you can make it anytime you want. By the way, I'll give you the recipe to make 1 glass of lemonade in case you don't want to make a whole pitcher. Now, this recipe is for more like 8 ounces, and most people don't drink 8 ounces, they drink 16, like this cup, or this glass. So, for 1 glass, you would need 1.5 cups water, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, that's 1/4 of a cup, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. You just mix that in. And it's so yummy, and it's good for you, and you control the sugar. If you like this recipe for quick, easy, delicious, and refreshing homemade lemonade, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and share with your friends who like to cook or just want to learn how. Drop me a line in the comments below about your experience with this quick recipe and what else you'd like to see in the kitchen. Click the bell in the top right hand corner for, for notifications. I'm Jim Hightower, and remember, Everyone needs help, even me. Enjoy! So grab your ice maker. Grab your pen. Grab your pen there. So how do you like that? Water, sugar, and lemon juice. And you didn't even have to squash any lemons. Or squeeze them. No, squash.